guys, what's going on? So I know everyone is pretty much at home right now, self-distancing, quarantining, and everybody's kind of been like a little bit frantic about food. And so you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, I love to cook, I love to bake. And so I've had some requests on like cooking meals and baking and things like that on my channel. So I decided, since I'm gonna be, you know, cooking pretty much every single day, all day from now on till I don't know how long, I thought that I would show you guys what I'm making. I'm just gonna be maybe sharing like some quarantine meals of like what I have in my pantry, what I have in my fridge, and like how I can make a meal out of it. So I'll just bring you guys along. It's not like a direct recipe. I'm literally just making this up as I go. So I hope that you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna follow along and show you guys how I'm making this. Today I'm gonna be making baked spaghetti. It's one of my favorites. I haven't made it in such a long time though. And I just figured it'd be really good to keep in the fridge for like a couple days so I can kind of eat off of it. So yeah, why don't y'all come along and see how I make this? Let's just hang out, pour yourself a glass of wine, grab a snack, drink some water, whatever you wanna do. I'm just gonna show you guys like how I'm gonna make mine, and we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. If you like these kind of videos, if you like my channel and me, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts, all that. My lighting's obviously gonna be different because I'm in my kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoy. So just a heads up of what I have sitting here. For my baked spaghetti, I just literally pulled things out of the fridge. I did not buy this stuff for this. I just decided to make it with this. So yeah, I have my beef. I decided I'm gonna add some mushrooms to my meat sauce mixture, onions, garlic, a little bit of wine, all the different cheeses for like my cheese blend I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use bucatini instead of spaghetti. I actually don't have enough spaghetti, and I'm really excited to try the bucatini. Michael's Brooklyn sauce. Salt, pepper, dried basil. I wish I had fresh, but I'm out. And then this is gonna be like for my cheese mixture that I'm gonna mix with the dry pasta, or not dry, the cooked pasta. So we'll see how that turns out. I don't know, it's gonna be interesting. I have ricotta cheese, coconut milk. I know it sounds really, really weird, but I think it's gonna be really, really good. And just a little bit of sour cream. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the bucatini in the pot boiling. It only takes 7 minutes. I'm gonna do 6 just because we will be baking it in the oven, so I don't wanna overcook it. I'm gonna take some of this Urban Market olive oil that I just got that I'm loving. Just a little drizzle. Oop, that was too much, but whatever. I'm gonna take this drizzle in the pan, let it get a little bit hotter, and then I'm gonna add half a pound of ground beef to this pan and cook it off. I just threw my veggies in there. I have garlic, onion, green pepper, and jalapenos. I normally wouldn't do that, but I have them in the fridge and I just kind of want a little bit more veggie action in there. So I'm gonna let these cook down a little bit. I'll add the mushrooms, and then I'll add the beef back in there with a little bit of wine. Okay, so now I'm making this cream mixture for the noodles to be coated in. So I did, there's no measurements. I'm literally just eyeballing this, and feel free to use substitutions. I did about half of this tub of ricotta cheese, and I did like maybe 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 egg, and salt and pepper and some basil. And and I did a little bit of coconut milk. So that'll kind of sweeten it a little bit. I'm like tempted to put lemon juice in here for some reason, but I'm gonna coat the noodles in this. And it's not like supposed to be an Alfredo. I don't know what it's supposed to be. We'll see how it turns out. And then I am deglazing this wine. I put the meat back in there with the mushrooms and peppers and all that. And I put some red wine. You can use any red wine. You can use old red wine, which is what I did. It doesn't matter if it's new or not. And I put salt and pepper and basil in here as well. Okay, so I decided to use some Asiago cheese in here. I shredded that I shredded that in here just to thicken it up a little bit. And I'm about to add my Michael's of Brooklyn sauce to this. Most of the wine has like deglazed or cooked off. So this is my favorite tomato sauce of all time, Michael's of Brooklyn. I get it at Sprouts or Publix. It's usually on sale, but it is literally the best. You won't find anything better in my opinion. Okay, the sauce is officially done. Oh gosh, I have to turn off my music. And then this is ready. I think I just filmed that. I just got off the phone with these guys that my friends and I met in New Orleans a few months ago, and we all video chatted on Instagram. Everybody's just, literally this quarantine, COVID-19 is like literally bringing everybody together. That is the one positive. There's a few positives. I'm actually loving being at home. I don't know if that's gonna make people angry by saying that, but like I actually am loving it. I've needed rest like crazy. Anyways, back to the pasta. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to layer this sauce, pasta, sauce, pasta. I'm gonna do it as much as I can, and then at the top layer will just be cheese. All right, so all of the cheeses are on top. They've been layered. I just did the soy cheese blend, 1 pack of the mozzarella, just 3 little, like 1 serving, I guess. Some Parmesan, and I did some salt and pepper. It's ready for the oven. Hey, so the spaghetti is now done. And it looks so good. It smells so good. This is what it looks like. Ooh, you guys, it smells so good. I've let it cool for about like 5 minutes. So I'm going to grab a bowl and we're gonna try it. Well, I'm gonna try it. I wish you guys were really trying it, but I hope you guys make it at home or something similar. All right guys, so I have my plate of baked spaghetti right here. It looks so good, it smells so good. I honestly don't know how on these cooking shows that they wait till the very end to try. We're going in. It's really good. Really, really good. I love the kick that those jalapenos give. And the mushrooms give a little bit of chewiness. It's really, really good, you guys. I hope you guys make this. Oh wow. This is amazing. Wow, I hope you guys try this at home. If you do try it at home, please tag me on Instagram so I can see it. This is really good. I've never made anything really like this. I just kind of threw together some things that I had, and it is freaking delicious. It is kind of spicy though, which I like, but if you don't like spicy, definitely leave out the jalapenos. And I did add a little bit of red pepper flakes to the sauce. So yeah, just kind of customize it how you guys like it. Everybody has different preference, different taste. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts. Let me know what you want to see next down below in the comments. I'll have a lot of time at home, as I only work 2 days this coming week. So I love you guys. Stay connected with me on Instagram. I'll see y'all in my next video.